I love keeping up with things around the house, but sometimes it's nice to have a little help on days when there's one too many things to do. It's a little bit easier around here with Alexa smart home devices. Let me show you how.
From lights and plugs to TVs and cameras, Alexa pairs nicely with so many smart accessories, making my home smarter and my day simpler. I can control the temperature on the thermostat when I'm hot or cold, see who's at the front door when I get an alert, and even dim the lights for family movie night, all using just my voice.
Let me show you how easy it is to set up my smart plug and other compatible devices to our Alexa smart home. I just put it into pairing mode, then once it's blinking, I say,
Alexa, discover my device.
And it automatically connects my compatible accessories to my Alexa smart home using just my voice. Super easy.
Once a device is connected via your voice or in the Alexa app, you can control the lights hands-free or use the app to create routines to manage lights automatically and more.
A feature I love is Groups. Groups allows me to control multiple devices at once. When I add an Echo device or other devices to a smart home group in the Alexa app, I use Alexa to control all the devices in that group.
For example, I created a group for my kids' bedroom called the Kids Rooms. That includes their Echo Dots and smart lights. Wake up time is a breeze whenever I say,
Alexa, play music and turn on the lights in the kids' room.
I wake them up playing their favorite songs and change their lights to fun colors.
Alexa helps me keep track of what's happening both in and around my house.
Live View is auto-enabled when you connect your Ring video doorbell to your Echo Show. When someone is at your front door, Alexa will announce,
"Someone is at the front door."
This shows me who's on my doorstep, whether it's a visitor or my Amazon deliveries. Also, with person detection announcements, Alexa makes voice announcements, sends push notifications, and automatically shows live video feed on my Echo Show, Fire tablet, or Fire TV. Knowing Alexa is always looking out for me and my family gives me peace of mind.
Oh, and occupancy routines, that's another thing that makes my daily routine so much smoother. Just set Alexa to start a routine when an Echo device picks up that someone is nearby.
So, when I walk into the room and my device detects a person, my lights turn on, just like that. It's so simple, but it really makes a difference in simplifying my day-to-day. Occupancy routines can be set up in the Alexa app like this. You're going to open More, tap Routines, then Plus, tap When This Happens, then Smart Home, choose the device that you would like to activate the routine. Then you can choose whether the routine you want to activate is when people are detected or when people are not detected. Tap Next, select Add Action to choose what you want Alexa to do in the routine. Then tap Save.
We love a movie night around here, and it's easy to get that started.
I just say,
Alexa, it's time for Prime.
and Alexa turns on my Amazon Fire TV to Prime Video, dims the lights, and announces when movies or TV shows are ready to watch. To set up this feature, just say, Alexa, enable It's Time for Prime routine.
One of the cool things about Echo Show is Hunches, where Alexa alerts you by voice or push notification when a connected smart device isn't in its usual state. Alexa can have hunches about a variety of supported smart home devices like lights, thermostats, switches, and more.
For example, if one of our smart lights is on when I say goodnight, Alexa alerts me and offers to turn it off. So thoughtful.
Hunches notifications are enabled by default. You can enable or disable automatic hunches in the Alexa app. To learn more about hunches, ask Alexa, what are hunches? Or ask Alexa, do you have any hunches? So that's how Alexa makes our family's daily life easier. We're really living the smarter, not harder life, and that's the life I'm about. Try out some of these features yourself by saying, Alexa, turn on the bedroom lights when your hands are busy, or Alexa, turn on the AC when things are heating up. And check out our YouTube channel for more Alexa tips and tricks.